Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your next quarter reading for the sun, moon and the rising sign of Libra. Libra, please keep in mind this is your group general reading for the month of April, May and June. So next 3 months, your money, career and finances. I'm not putting up a stamp here because I'm pulling out the overall energies for the next 3 months, and then I'm going to pull out two cards for separate month April, May and June. In the end, I'm also going to pull out the group oracle card, the career cards and the moonology cards to give us some more insights about your money, career, professional life, your career in the next quarter. So this is going to be a group general reading from April to June 2025. So please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And if you really like what I do on the channel, please do like, subscribe the channel and put on the notifications for any personal private reading or a therapy session or a healing session. My email ID, my website is mentioned in the description box below. Please reach out to me accordingly. I appreciate that. Now let us see the messages. I'm pulling out separate cards for April, for May, and then for June. Okay. Now let us see the overall energies, Libra. You have the good appreciation coming in, and this is also number 6. That means the materialistic abundance is going to knock the door, but along with materialistic gain, there is a recovery which is happening in your image outside the for the outside world, for the external world. There is also a possibility that you will be given some new task which will relate to public dealing, improving your say, improving your image. Overall, it's a very growing kind of phase, which means that there is a recovery in your money, there is a recovery into your image or whatever you feel you have lost in the recent past. It's a overall a growing period for you. You also have goddesses of the moon, and you have the card of healer of the ages, and by this you have got number 6, 7 and 6. So yes, the luxury, the materialistic comfort is 100% assured. During the whole next 3 months, there is still recovery, in the sense healing is happening. That means your past wounds, professional past betrayal, any fraud or any period which you feel has given you enough discomfort, disease, is also on the path of recovery, is also on the path of healing. Yes, next 3 months, just trust your intuition more, because there will be a lot of new things, facts and figures which will come up at the surface level for your health. And this is also the period, people, that you need to actually use your wisdom, your intelligence, your experience and exposure you have gone through. It's a complete good reading for Libra. This is going to be a very, very prominent period for you. The recovery is going to bring your career, your professional endeavor, everything on track wonderfully. Now let us see your messages for the month of April. In April, you again have got a High Priestess card and you have got a Strength card. Now, if you see, this card is getting repeated twice into your reading. April is a month of keeping your patience, your calm, your courage intact. It is also the month that if you are planning to get something very specific, or if you are targeting something very specific, there will be a lot of different facts, figures and information which will come up at the surface level, which is going to be very important for you in order to take a very important crucial decision. Now during the month of April, if things are not going your way, if things are not moving what you desire, what you expect out of your professional life, you need to keep your patience. Don't react, don't be aggressive, and don't judge people, don't judge situations, and you need to avoid overthinking and over assumption during this particular period. The month of April will bring up a lot of new realities into your life, and on the basis of that new reality, maybe your further course of action will get changed. So be very careful that this is the period wherein you need to plan, you need to re-strategize your things accordingly. But yes, this is definitely the time for you not to be aggressive at all. Now let us see what money career messages do we have in May. May, you have the, oh my goodness, you have the card of Empress, and you have the beautiful sun coming in the month of Mars. The month of May seems to be very promising month for you, Libra. A new hope, a big time opportunity, the new idea, the new creation coming your way. Now, the month of May for your money, career, finances, for your professional life is actually going to be one of the best month in the year 2025. It's a very beautiful month wherein you are going to get the opportunity of your lifetime, which is going to completely change the course of your life. Sun also brings an impact to your life in the sense that there will be some government related opportunities or government association, project association, engagement, contract, project which is coming your way, and it is going to be a big yes for you. So any tussle, any obstacle, any challenge which you feel was going on into your professional life, that is 100% going to get resolved in the month of May. So May is going to be a very prominent month for you with lot of new creations, and if you have already started something new, it is going to be very successful, and Sun is going to bring a new shining opportunity into your life. It's a very auspicious month for lovely Libra people out there. And in the month of June, you have the Lovers coming in with Queen of Cup. Expect that there will be multiple options coming your way in the month of June. However, I do see that you are also going to get aligned with a career which is very close to your heart, or something which you always wanted to do since very, very long. Anything which was out of your hand, out of your limit, or out of your reach, that will also come in control with you, to you with your, love, compassionate behavior. So just overall next 3 months, try to do what is needed in a very calm and composed manner, and avoid judging people and situation at any cost during the next quarter, that is April to June. But overall, it's a wonderful reading for you. Now let us see some specific oracle card messages for my lovely Libra people out there for the next quarter. Let us see the message for April. You have the card which says long term. It says an opportunity could turn into a long-term career move, or you will be asked to commit to a position in exchange of more money. So this card I have bought up for the month of April. In the month of April, there is a very high possibility that you are given an opportunity which initially you will feel that, oh, this is not of my interest, but it is going to turn out to be one of the biggest and one of the best opportunity going forward. For the month of May, the message today you have is a flashback. It says in the month of May, people from the past are going to return back to you. You may work with a previous co-worker or take back an old job. You will get a second chance to get in association with employer of your choice, with people of your choice, with opportunity of your choice. So yes, it is going to be a very lucky period, because either way, the month of May is going to bring the happiness overall. For the month of June, you have a card which says power position. You are being promoted or called to lead. It's time for you to step into your sovereignty and guide others with compassion. So yes, be ready to be a leader, Libra. Be ready that there will be a lot of people who are going to surround you. People are going to support you, but more than anything else, people are going to look up to you as their leader. You will be followed by a lot of people, respected by a lot of people, and there is a huge possibility of promotion, getting into a job or a contract or a position of power, authority, which can influence people in the longer run. So overall, it is going to be a very good period for you. It's a lovely reading, Libra, rather a winning reading, I should say. Now let us see some messages for the 3 months, the Moonology message. In the month of April, it says your dreams need a practical plan. And since beginning of the reading, and this is full moon in Taurus, again it is representing the month of May, Libra. So yes, the planning and strategy is going to be an integral part of your success in the month of April. Just see what more you can do, what better you can do, what changes you can bring in order to bring the needed happiness, needed success into your life. For the month of May, The message you have is a time when you need to balance your spirituality and practicality. Don't flow with the emotions the next quarter. Try to have a blend between what you really feel about the situation and what are the facts, figures, and reality which is popping up at the surface for you to take a better course of action. And your last card of the reading for the month of June, it says, what do you need to release? All those past connections, energies, and memories which you feel are not taking you or not leading you anywhere, is a hindrance into your growth and development. So just move on to a new beginning the next quarter, and things are going to turn out to be very, very beautiful for you. If you see the overall reading, Libra, it's a very successful period. I only see the month of April little turmoil, which need balance from your side, a holistic wisdom from your side. Otherwise, if you talk about May and June, you are going to get the results of all hard work you have done in the recent past. Libra, do let me know how you resonated with your next quarter money, career, finance reading. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.